In this video we're gonna perform a fingerprint sensor speed test on Google Pixel 10a, so let's get right into it. First, let's go to the lock screen. Over here we have our fingerprint sensor, so we can just simply unlock the phone with the finger that we have scanned. Unfortunately, we do not have ultrasonic sensor, so a simple tapping on the sensor doesn't work. You will not be able to unlock your phone like that, and you actually have to hold for a really short amount of time. Usually it is like a fraction of a second to unlock the phone. Nevertheless, it still requires you to hold your finger on the sensor. It is still pretty responsive, pretty fast, and it doesn't take long to actually unlock the phone, at least from the lock screen, as you can see over here. So I would say it's pretty standard, nothing really outstanding, to be honest, but it's solid. It's really solid, and it does the job pretty well. Now let's take a look at the sensor. Let's see how long does it take to unlock the phone when the sensor is not visible. And in this case, as you can see, it doesn't work. In my case, I have IoT disabled as well, so I'm gonna turn it on just in a second. But if the phone is locked, you cannot actually unlock your phone. You just have to wake it up. In my case, I double tap on the screen to wake it up pretty quickly. You can of course use the power button as well. But there we go. So let me just quickly turn on IoT. Let's go to display and touch. Let's turn it on and let's see if it's going to be just as fast as on the lock screen. And the answer is yes. Yeah, I think it's pretty much the same. There we go. So it's just as fast and as responsive as on the lock screen. There's also one more setting that I want to show you. And let's go back to the main page of settings. We're gonna go to the security and privacy, and then over here, device unlock and the fingerprint. There we go. And in here we can find the screen off fingerprint unlock. So we can use the fingerprint unlock even when the screen is off. So this has been disabled so far on my phone. And I'm gonna also turn off always on display in order to see if it actually works. So now let's see. And yes, it does work. The animation is kind of slow, I would say. Like you can see the phone waking up. Whether it is a good thing or a bad thing, it's, I guess, up to personal preference. And I assume this feature might drain the battery a little bit. We even have the instruction to press firmly on the sensor if you hold it for not enough time. I'm gonna wait for it to disappear. There we go. And let's try again. I think I misplaced my finger, unfortunately. Maybe I'm just gonna do something like this. Maybe we have to hold for a little bit longer in this case. But I think the difference is, maybe it is actually a little bit noticeable, but it's still a short amount of time that is required to hold your finger on the sensor. So this is pretty standard, so whenever the screen is off, the fingerprint sensor is, generally speaking, a little bit slower compared to the lock screen or IoT, simply because the phone needs actually some time to wake up the sensor, to activate it, to make it usable. And yeah, I think it's pretty standard, pretty good, of course, average but good. And nothing really to complain. This is of course the optical fingerprint sensor, so not as fast as the ultrasonic one, but since this is not the flagship model, of course it is something that we can, I guess, forgive Google. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.